Natural disasters like hurricanes and windstorms can cause significant damage to homes and properties, particularly when it comes to water damage. Homeowners may wonder if their insurance policy covers such damage and what kind of coverage they need to protect their investment. While flood insurance and water damage caused by windstorms may seem similar, there are key differences between the two that homeowners should understand. Flood insurance is a separate insurance policy that covers damages caused by flooding. Flood insurance is usually offered by the National Flood Insurance Program, NFIP, a federal program created to help homeowners protect their property from flood damage. Flood insurance covers damages caused by rising water, such as a river overflowing its banks or a storm surge. It also covers damages caused by mudslides or landslides that result from flooding. However, flood insurance does not cover damages caused by water from other sources, such as rain that enters through a damaged roof or broken windows. Water damage caused by windstorms, on the other hand, is usually covered by a standard homeowner's insurance policy. This coverage typically includes damages caused by rain, hail, and wind-driven water. It may also cover damages caused by falling trees or debris. However, it is important to note that homeowners' insurance policies may have limitations on coverage for water damage. For example, if the homeowner was aware of a leaky roof but did not repair it, the insurance company may not cover the resulting water damage. It is also important to note that there may be differences in coverage between policies offered by different insurance companies. Homeowners should review their policy carefully to understand what kind of coverage they have and what kind of coverage they may need. It is also a good idea to talk to their insurance agent to ensure they have the right coverage for their specific needs. In summary, flood insurance and water damage caused by windstorms are not the same. Flood insurance is a separate policy that covers damages caused by flooding, while homeowners' insurance policies typically cover water damage caused by wind-driven water. Homeowners should review their policies carefully to understand their coverage and talk to their insurance agent to ensure they have the right coverage to protect their investment.